Is this the best pre-wash combination for your vehicle? Stick around in this video and we're going to tell you why Magifoam and Citrus Pre-Wash by AutoBrite Direct are one of our go-to products for pre-washing our vehicle. Hi everybody, it's Aidan from Just Car Care, and today we're going through AutoBrite Direct Magifoam and AutoBrite Direct Citrus Pre-Wash. These two products are fantastic for using it as a pre-wash solution for your vehicle to get it as clean as possible before you go into your contact wash. But first of all, we're going to talk about AutoBrite Citrus Wash, what it can do, and the versatility of the product throughout. So, AutoBrite Direct Citrus Wash, it is exactly what it says on the tin. It is a citrus-based pre-wash that will allow you to remove general grime from the vehicle, such as road grime, traffic film, and also heavy build-up grime in the arches as well. Now this product can be diluted down anywhere from 100 to 1 all the way down to 10 to 1, depending on how much you need it to clean before you clean in the vehicle. Now, not only is Citrus Wash fantastic for the outside of the vehicle, you can actually dilute it all the way down to 100 to 1 to use it on interior surfaces, so the versatility of this product is really unrivaled when it comes to other manufacturers. So we've been actually using AutoBrite Direct Citrus Pre-Wash for a very long time at Just Car Care, for nearly 5 years in our detailing bay. We've diluted this product generally at 50 to 1, and that gives us enough cleaning power to remove any road grime from the vehicle before we go on to our safe washing techniques. All around, it's a fantastic value for money, especially when you get it in the 5 litres, but it does come in the 1 litre. It's not a ready-to-use product. Please dilute it down. Make sure you get the most from your product. So the reason we love Magifoam is down to its long dwell time. In the summer, you need something that's going to stick around a little while longer, especially when it's warm. You don't want something to dry out. But in the winter time, you need something with a bit of a punch that's going to remove the dirt and grime and the traffic film without causing any damage to your wax or your sealants. Now the dilution with Magifoam is a little bit unheard of. It says 2 inches inside of your snow foam lance, but this all depends on your panel impact ratio, which we'll talk about in another video. With this product, we always say stick between 100 and 200 mils of product to 800 and 900 mils of water, and go up and down depending on the jet wash, depending on the lance, and depending on your water pressure at home. Now, as I said, Magifoam is super safe to use on waxes, sealants, and ceramic coatings. It's got a great dwell time and fantastic cleanability, which makes it a fantastic snow foam for all year round. So you can use these two products completely separately. With Citrus Wash, you spray this directly onto the vehicle, leave it to dwell, and you can jet wash it down. Same with Magifoam, you can apply using a snow foam lance, leave it to dwell, and then jet wash it down as well. But the way that we like to use it, which we've been using it this way for nearly 5 years, is by applying Citrus Wash onto the vehicle and leaving it to dwell for around 2 minutes. After that, put a blanket of Magifoam straight over the top of the vehicle. This is going to give it a longer dwell time, better cleaning power, and making sure it's safer when you go onto your contact wash stage. Now both these products are available in-store and online at justcarcare.co.uk in both the 1 litre and the 5 litre containers. If you have any questions about any products in the future, let us know in the comment section. Leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next video.